Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the data analysis basics in our video series. In this video, we'll be looking at how to remove a column from an existing data frame. So let's first create a simple data frame. You can notice that we have 3 columns and 3 rows here. Let's say we want to remove the column called birth date. The easiest way to do this is to assign null value to the respective column. Now we can see that the birth date column is gone. However, there are alternative ways for doing this, and you can even use functionalities available in packages such as dplayer for achieving this task. Also, feel free to try out the options that are commented if you're interested. I shall include more details on these in the description section. So that's all for now. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Make sure to subscribe in case if you're interested in similar data analysis and R related videos. Until next time, ciao.